Well, an issue again with the O-rings. This one's leaking. You can see right here, obviously this water's dripping in here big time. Basically going to need to get this O-ring off, because what's caused that is perforation of the heat. Once again, it's lasted for about a year and a half, and it's packed in, causing it to leak, creating a good seal. So I need to get that out and basically get it replaced. Spare ones here, just need to find the right size, and hopefully that should solve the leak. And there you go, there's the O-ring out here. Look how much it shrank over the year. So it's causing a leak. Compared to a new one. Now this was only placed about a year and a bit ago. You can see the difference right away. How the heat's probably shrinking it and made it kind of brittle and hard. Where this one's kind of like squidgy and soft. This time I'll rub a wee bit of oil on it, and hopefully that'll stop the leaking. It'll stop me drying out as quickly when I put it back on here onto the end piece of the pipe, and it'll prevent all this from dripping at the bottom. Okay, so that's all clean now. Get a quick clean over, put the safety pins back in here and here. It's quite hard to get the pipe tied back on, that's why it's a bit bashed here, because obviously trying to squeeze it back on wasn't the most easiest. I'm now using the light to obviously shine on this so it's get a little clear depth of what's doing. So technically all I need to do is so that's all clean now, cleaned it all, put the pin back in it here and put the safety pin back up here. It was hard to squeeze at the guy, that's why it's a bit bashed here. Apart from that, but it's a lot cleaner on the inside. So now we just need to make sure the water supply is turned back on again. Find your fill valve and fill it to 1.5 bars. So you see it going up now. You want to fill this to 1.5 bars. You don't want to put too much pressure on it, but that's about the average for this device, for a Valiant boiler. Something to do. Let me just check this. Well, there you go, so something must be working right, because at the start it would be dripped by now, if that was the case. When I'm filling it up, it would be dripping. So it's no dripping anymore, so hopefully that's the problem solved. Just above the 1 bar now. It's making loads of wee dingy noises. Maybe because we're draining it dry that much. There we go. So let's say stop it about there. 1.5. So far, no drips. Okay. Basically turn it on. Probably come back to a fail here and out. If it does, might know. Cycling water through it. I just need to get the front of this machine and be clean and wiped down. Oh well, seems to be fixed. Pressure's back up and running again. Power lights on up here. Never mess with the Corgi gas side it. Look at that, not a drip. Clearly all because of this wee tiny washer. Look how perforated it is. Less than a penny probably for one of these things. Compare it against the new ones I already showed before. There's a new one. Compared to the one that was originally in it. And that's your problem. The heat, it kind of makes them brittle, makes them shrink. You know what I mean, over time. It's making a lot of funny noises, but maybe it's just because the water's gone through the system right now. I've totally drained it dry. But good thing is there's no drips or leaks at the front no more. It seems to be holding its pressure. It does make a lot of funny noises right now, but I don't know what the cause of that may be, but so far everything seems to be working as normal. Holding its pressure. Oh, that's that pipe roasting. And that's really it, so that's the boiler fixed. So now I just need to get a wee clean up and fix. And that should be it. 81, so it seems to be holding. Literally no leaks at all. It's amazing what a wee tiny wee washer can do to affect the whole boiler. And there you go. That's it reset. Now it's kind of staying in that position.